Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to turn on or off alarm on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on alarm. Here click on clock app. After you click on clock app, you will see if you want to turn on or turn off alarm. If you want to turn off alarm, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see alarm is turn off. If you want to turn on alarm, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, alarm is turn on. You will turn on or turn off alarm from here. After turn on or turn off alarm, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off alarm on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.